Welcome to the ACWA Portal tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through how to upload and configure public APIs inside the ACWA Portal. To begin, you will first need to log into your ACWA Portal account. On the navigation bar at the top of the screen, click on Data Management to proceed. Data Management module is a centralized hub for all datasets. Click on the Upload New Dataset button to initiate the upload process. You will now be redirected to the upload interface. There are 4 steps to complete the upload. Click the File Type field to choose the format of your dataset file. Select API, Public. In the Title field, enter a descriptive title for your dataset. In the URL field, paste the full HTTPS endpoint of the API. Configure the API configuration panel located below the URL field. Click Sync Frequency to set how often the dataset should synchronize. Click the Eye Preview icon located next to the URL field to validate the API endpoint. If the API responds successfully, a API Data Review window will open. Review the response of the API. Click the green filter icon to open the Select JSON Attributes modal. Tick the checkbox next to each attribute to choose exactly which fields from the API response will be ingested into the ACWA Portal. Click the Identifier column drop-down and choose the column that uniquely identifies each record. Click the Sector field to specify the API sector category. Fill in the description with details about the API related to the dataset. On the right side under Permissions, select who can view the API. Click Next to continue to the following configuration page. On the Metadata page, enter mandatory and optional metadata of the API. You also have the option to use a saved template. Click the metadata template that suits your API. Skip this to manually fill the metadata. Choose Data Collection Frequency from the Reference Period drop-down. Click Select Date to set the coverage period start and end dates, defining the time range of your data collection period. Click the reference area and choose the administrative level. Choose the primary language in which the dataset is documented. Type a relevant keyword for your dataset. To add optional metadata, click the blue chevron. Click the Next button to advance to the Data Structure Definition stage. This page displays a table listing all attributes from your uploaded file. Alias: enter a clear descriptive name to replace the original column name. Then choose the appropriate unit if needed. For columns containing geographic identifiers, change into geo. Change dimension subject for attributes that require standardized classification. Click Next to continue. Final step of the upload process is to review all the information displayed in the publication summary. Once verified, click the Submit button to publish your dataset. Your file is now live within the portal, spatially indexed and ready for querying, analysis and integration with other datasets across the ACWA Portal. Editing an API dataset allows you to update its metadata and permissions, adjust the API configuration, preview the live API response, and revise which JSON attributes are ingested into the portal. Navigate to Data Management from the main navigation bar and locate the API dataset you want to edit. Click Open button to proceed to the Dataset Detail page. Click Edit Dataset in the panel on the right. The Edit Dataset page opens. In the top section, update the mandatory metadata. The API's source section displays the dataset's source URL. The Edit Dataset panel also provides Update Time Series Data, Edit DSD, and Join Data with API. In the Permissions panel on the right, you can change who can view the dataset. Click the eye icon to open the API Response Preview modal, which displays a read-only view of the live response. Click the Brace Filter icon to open the Select JSON Attributes modal, where you can change which attributes are ingested. In the ACWA Portal, you can download API data as a table. You can export the entire dataset or apply filters to download only the specific columns and records you need. Navigate to Data Management from the main navigation bar and locate the API dataset you want to download. Click the ellipsis icon on the dataset card. Select Download from the menu. Download modal opens, showing the dataset name and the total number of records available. Choose how you would like to export the data. Click Download All Data to export every row in the API as a CSV file. Click Download Filtered Data to pick specific fields and values, then export only your selection. Thank you for watching this ACWA Portal user guide.